What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Sizzla aka Draza. If you're new to the channel, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and I really appreciate it. I don't take it for granted. So guys, today, as you can see, if I have a helmet, I'm with something good, man. So guys, don't forget to like the video, share and subscribe, guys. Today I'm going to review the new bike, Taro GP1. It's called Taro GP1. It's a new bike, it's a new edition, it's a 2026 model, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks. So stay tuned, guys. Guys, this is the bike. It's called Taro GP1, man. Yeah, this is a beast, man. It's a new model, as you can see, KMGX 909C. It's a sport bike, by the way. It's a 250cc bike. This is a beast, man. This is a beast. Yeah, that's how it looks like. This is a beast, man. 250cc. This bike goes at 350,000 in the market. Taro. It's currently at gear 2. It's neutral. It's a beast. It's a push to start. Let me start it and see. Let me show you the exhaust, guys. Taro. It's a beast. So guys, if you need a bike like this, don't be afraid to contact me. Yeah. If you need a bike like this, it's only 350,000 the market price. That's a beast, man. We are currently at Mihango, Utawala. That's a beast. I'm currently on the road. Yeah. Yeah, Taro GP1, man. Guys, buy Taro, buy Taro. If you need a bike like this, don't be afraid to contact me. Yeah, Taro GP1. Let me show you guys how it accelerates. It's a beast. This is a beast, man. This is a beast, guys. Guys, let me show you how it accelerates. By Taro. Let's dive deeper into the specs of the motorcycle. So the first thing you can see is the aggressive look of the front, guys. It has a very, very beautiful face, as you can see. It has an ambient light over here. The braking system is powered by the braking system is the disc one, as you can see. Is the disc one. It's not like the pad. The pad, it doesn't have a pad. As you can see, this one is a 2-passenger. It has a very, very, even the back one. virus. Yeah, that's the dashboard. As you can see, we are low on fuel. Yeah, this one is the key. It looks nice. Yeah, storage it. Yeah.
Rudia iko ina record. Rudia tena. Rudia. Enda la pengine.